This video shows how to set the page title like this one, which I have here in React. So you see the title always on your browser tab. So this is how it works, how it should work, and how to change it in runtime. So depending on your page, what we do here is in the render method. When we have the result of from our data, which we get by that stuff, between render and return, you may set here document title equals this state. And if you're funny, then you may also use that's the default one. Now this one, save it, and now here you will see this is the default. You set the title from your headline of your page, and if you're funny, then you will also add some emojis in there. So this is the stuff, and you will, as always, find my code on my website. So this is on my website. You may take it from there.